We have an update to a story that we told you about yesterday. A young woman in Bridgeport, Connecticut, who died last month under very suspicious circumstances. Lauren Smith Fields was found in her apartment by the man she had had a date with the night before. Her family accuses police of mishandling this investigation. Newly released autopsy results conclude that her death was, quote, an accident. Elise Preston is here with more on the story. You're back again from yesterday, Elise. It's very troubling. The more we hear, the worse it seems to get.
It's very concerning. Good morning, Gayle. Preliminary results from the state paint the first real picture of how Smith Fields died. The medical examiner found Smith Fields died of acute intoxication from a combination of drugs and alcohol. The results showed fentanyl in her system, along with 2 other drugs. The autopsy says the combination of those substances with alcohol led to what it calls an accidental death. In a video statement last night, the family attorney said they believe there was foul play.
Someone introduced those drugs to her system, and it wasn't her. And we want answers right now.
Now, the attorney did not explain how the family knows she did not take the drugs herself. The man hasn't been charged and is not considered a suspect, so we are not naming him. According to the police incident report, Smith Fields' date told police the 2 spent the night drinking, eating, and watching a movie. At one point, he said she went outside to meet someone and later fell ill, but the 2 continued drinking. Smith Fields allegedly fell asleep, and hours later, around 6:30 in the morning, the date says he woke up next to Smith Fields, not breathing, and called 911. The full autopsy results will not be made public, but the family can request it. Smith Fields' family is also still waiting on its own private autopsy results, which are expected within the month.
This is so troubling, Elise, because, listen, the autopsy doesn't show how the drugs got into her system. So we still don't know that, and we are just to believe what the man says. The man who, by the way, has not been identified publicly.
Right.
He could say anything.
He could say anything. We have not identified him. We have tried to reach out and make contact. We have not been able to do so. But the family has been questioning from the very beginning. Has she been drugged? They say they found an unidentified pill in the home. They said they sent that, or they had police take it for processing. We called the state lab. They don't have anything in their possession related to Smith Fields' death.
And we're not identifying him because he's not been charged?
He has not been charged. He is not a person of interest, according to police.
Well, I think just how the family responded to how the police didn't really listen to their calls for concern is also disturbing. Elise, thank you.